Yo, stop it. You're not a child, bro. We're trying to be men, not boys. And the way you dress is a direct correlation to your maturity level. For example, yo, throw out them graphic tees. And I'm not talking about the band tees and the nice ones. I'm talking about the goofy ones. I'm talking about the ones with the slogans that you think are hilarious. I'm talking about the superhero tee that you've had since you were like in high school and you're still wearing to this day. Cut them out. Yo, you just need basics. As a man, it's really not even that difficult or expensive. You don't need designer. You don't need to be expensive. You don't need to be flamboyant. You don't even need to learn what colors are in season. Stick to solid basics. Whites, blacks, grays, blues that fit right. You're already winning. 2, learn to match colors properly. Look, you can't walk around looking like a walking streetlight. And I know what you're going to say, Jose. Well, Adam Sandler does it. Yeah, he's also worth $400 million. And it's funny, you're neither both of that, which means you need every help you can get. And look, I'm not telling you have to be a fashionista, study the runway. Bro, that's going to be a waste of time. You don't need all that work. Keep it neutral. That's what I was saying in my previous tip. You don't even need to learn what colors are in season. Keep it neutral. Your neutral color palette, your browns, your blues, your grays, your blacks, your whites, these are easy to mix and match. Even your olives, right? Bro, you could literally go into your wardrobe, eyes closed in a neutral color palette, grab 4 pieces, throw them on, and you know you look good. That's where I want to get you. Because you have to understand, you cannot walk around mismatched. You look like your mommy dressed you. You look like you can't take care of yourself properly. Learning how to appropriately place your clothing so it's seamless, so it works together matters. Which takes you to number 3, style it right. Look, styling clothes takes time. You need to understand your body proportions, your frame, what works, what doesn't work. Maybe thicker, oversized fabrics make you look fatter, and vice versa. You need to understand your body. What works for you? What gives you the most confidence? That's what you go with. And I know it can be difficult, so we're running a new program. I just recently launched it. We're crushing it already. And it's a small group. I don't want it to grow too large, where we're doing a fit subscription model with essentials. I'm going to be your personal stylist every month. I'm going to put together a fit every single month that I've already stylized. It's going to be a fit that I probably wear. For example, I wear essentials all the time. And the reason I do that is because I design it because I think it's useful. This is an essentials hoodie, for example, right? So I'm going to do all the thinking. I'm going to put it together. And every month you're going to get a new fit. That way, you're styling clothes how it should be. And you don't even have to think about it. Your boy's your stylist. And I'm going to spice it up even better. If you guys click the link down below, you subscribe to the new fit model, I'm also going to give you a free fit. So for today only, you're going to get 2 fits. 2 fits styled by me. One's going to be completely free. So you're basically getting 50% off, but I'm not even stopping there. Bro, October, our new launch for essentials is coming. This is ridiculous. 18 new pieces are dropping. It is the largest launch hands down statistically because we haven't launched all year. So I combined them all into one launch. 18 new pieces. I'm talking puffer vest. I'm talking mesh shorts. I'm talking oversized knitted sweaters, cardigans, new chinos, new cargos. Yo, I can't even keep track. Like, new accessories, new bags, totes, slings. Like, it is so much. I'm basically doing a brand new, like, I've never dropped this much product before. This is the largest we've ever done. You, as a subscriber to this, you get 1 free product every month. On top of your fit, you get access to 1 free product every time we launch. And I'm not even going to stop there. Since you're part of the subscribers, you oversee everybody. You get first access to the store before everyone else so stuff doesn't sell out and you can choose exactly what you want with peace. Yo, this new subscription, this is not the one you're going to want to miss. 4, understand people will judge you based on how you dress. Too many of you live in La La Land believing we live in an amazing unicorn world that everyone's nice and doesn't judge book by covers. They judge book by covers. All right? That's just human nature. Human nature has engineered us to make split microsecond decisions on people to determine if they're a threat, if they're smart enough, etc. That's just for human survival. That's the reality of it. I think it's ridiculous that people even try to remove that. Yo, it is ingrained in every single human. So instead of trying to remove it from 8 billion people, why not learn the game and play it right? Know that they're going to judge you in a split second. Okay, wear the right clothing. Your clothing will determine your capacity level. your maturity level, your intellectual level, your romantic level, your attractive level. Depending on the situation, you can use the right clothing for that situation that can determine how you excel in that occasion. That's why I'm telling you, you have to dress up. I don't care where you could be going to the grocery store, bro. Put on a good fit. You never know who you can bump into. It could be the love of your life, and I don't want you out there looking bummy. Which takes me to number 5. Women notice. Shoot, everyone notices. Your employer notices. Women notice. Your friends notice. Anyone worth talking to will notice. Look, you want to be leader of the pack? You got to look like it. You got to be the man that everybody wants to be. And you can do that with the clothing. And so many guys don't understand. So many guys have put clothing to the back burner thinking, oh, that's for girls, bro. I ain't going to worry about that. And that's why most of you still look like you're in middle school. You look like you're 13, 14 as a grown-ass man, not realizing you're shooting yourself in the foot. Nobody's looking up to you. Women aren't looking your way because you're not putting attention to how you dress, which ultimately rolls us to number 6. Use respectable shoes. This is the last one. Again, those flip-flops, right? Those slides, especially without socks. Yo, that's embarrassing. Look, you want to wear this at the beach, I could care less. But in the real world, wear respectable shoes. Wear sneakers that are appropriate for the fit. Definitely get yourself a pair of leather shoes. Definitely get yourself a pair of boots. Don't just stick to sneakers. Wear the higher end stuff for more serious events, and I promise you, it's going to make a difference.